Hey guys, we've poured a bottle of water into the front passenger carpet and suddenly, after a few days, the front seat stopped working. This is a strange coincidence. So, the plan was to check the fuse, remove the passenger seat and lift up the front carpet a bit to check whether any junction boxes were affected by the spill. It is quite common that those boxes located under the carpet. Let's check the fuse first. There is our fuse, the F25. Firstly, get the fuse removal tool in the trunk fuse box. I've tried to stick my hand into the hole, but it was super inconvenient. I've decided to remove the glove box. Luckily, this car's dashboard disassembly process is really easy. Takes few minutes to remove the glove box. Just undo the screws and unpop the bottom panel. Let's remove the fuse and check it with multimeter. Looks like it is blown. I will use one of the 7 series old fuse. We need 30 amp fuse here. Seat does work. Let's assemble back the glove box and remove the seat. Besides the fuse, there could be other reasons for a seat not to work. These are short circuits in the positive line or control module, a broken control module or a broken control module plug, or just a random fuse blow. Time to remove the seat. Firstly, remove battery's negative terminal to prevent safety restraint system fault codes. Expose these seat bolts and unscrew them. Now pop off the seatbelt cover. You need a pry tool to push down the middle clip. This was a bit of a struggle. Undo the seatbelt bolt, wiring plug, and remove the seat from the car. Remove the speaker and the side trim. The carpet has a plastic base, so looks like there is less chances that the water got through. Now let's remove the triangle trim. looks like no water got below the carpet. That's good news. I guess this time this was just a random fuse blow, but I will monitor this issue, maybe I'm wrong.
Looks dry, boys.
Okay, time to assemble everything back. Be careful not to scratch the dashboard. Manual requires to replace those bolts. They are stretch type. I didn't buy those new, reused old. A bit of a thread blocker on the bolt. Pop in the cover and you're done. Actually, I didn't remove the negative terminal myself, so I have ended up with a safety restraint system fault code resulting in a dash light. To erase those, you will need a scan tool. That's it, and thanks for watching.